We live in a world where answers are at our fingertips. Answers seem even easier with generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot. But the challenge is whether the information we find is accurate. In this video, we are going to talk about a few things to think about when we look at, use, and find information online. If you have questions about something you see online, contact a librarian and we'd be happy to help you. The first thing we want to do is stop and think about the information we found. Can you tell the purpose for the website, image, or video? Are they trying to sell you something? Is it informative only? Does the creator have a particular bent or bias? Are you having an emotional or knee-jerk reaction to what the content says? Does the information seem too good to be true? When we stop to ask ourselves these questions, we can be better consumers, users, creators, and sharers of information. Next, we want to investigate the source. This means we'll probably need to do another search about the authors or the website itself, or check the About page of the website. You can learn a little bit about the website by using the URL. The URL probably has slashes in it that indicate the hierarchy or higher level pages. For example, the library's official website is uu.edu/academics/library. This tells me that the library is part of the academic departments of Union University. I can learn something about the authors or creators of the page by looking at the original website. You will also want to Google the author or page to see what others say about this source. What do you learn about the author's credentials? Is there an organization behind the website? And what's their purpose? Our third step is to find better coverage. In our research assignments, that means we are not relying on a single source. This is also true in everyday life too. Do other sources say the same thing? If they don't, why are there contradictions? If you are researching a topic that has two sides to an argument, you would want multiple sources for both sides. If you're looking at a news story or social media post, you might try looking for the claim on a fact-checking website like Snopes. Also, remember that each newspaper outlet has a certain political bent, and some lean stronger to one side of the political spectrum than the other. Last, trace the claims. We want to read more than just the headlines. We also want to be looking into the context of the quotes. When you write your paper and include a quote or in-text citation, you want to make sure you're not taking that information out of context. You want this to also be true about the information you're reading. Here's just a couple of other tips. Ask yourself these questions. How old is the material and when was it last updated? What are your specific information needs? Are you using this information to write a research paper or just answering a question you might have? What are the creator or author's qualifications? And what types of references does this information have? Is there a reference list? Did they cite their sources? If you still need help or you just want help evaluating information, schedule a research coach appointment and we'd be happy to help you.